I am happy. This is Mark. Ways to use be verbs. To form the present tense, subject, be verb plus information. I am happy. I am happy. You are tall. You are tall. He is a doctor. He is a doctor. She is tired. She is tired. It is cold in here. It is cold in here. We are students. We are students. They are my friends. They are my friends. To form the past tense, subject, be verb, information, was, were. I was happy. I was happy, but not now. You were late for the meeting. You were late for the meeting. He was sick last week. He was sick last week. She was happy to see me. She was happy to see me. It was a rainy day. It was a rainy day. We were home all day. We were home all day. They were at the beach. They were at the beach. To form the continuous tenses, subject, be verb, verb ing plus information. She is studying for her exams. She is studying for her exams. You are eating breakfast. You are eating breakfast. He is working on a project. He is working on a project. It is raining outside. It is raining outside. We are watching a movie. We are watching a movie. They are dancing. They are dancing. To form the passive voice, subject was, were, past participle plus information. The cake was baked by my sister. The cake was baked by my sister. The books were written by famous authors. The books were written by famous authors. The websites were built by web designers. The websites were built by web designers. The house was painted by a professional. The house was painted by a professional. The food was cooked by a chef. The food was cooked by a chef. The problem was solved by the team. The problem was solved by the team. More sentence practice. I am happy. I am happy. I am upset. I am well. He is surprised. She is confident. It is nervous. You are kind. We are brave. They are helpful. I was late. He was early. She was on time. You were sick yesterday. We were there last week. They were here last year. I am eating now. She is talking now. He is walking now. You are arriving now. We are waiting now. They are coming now. The cars were driven. The cake was baked. The computer was fixed.